Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem when Instagram not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so you can also just try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try also to restore your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to Search tab. In Search tab, just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful. Install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.